Hi, everybody. Savage, welcome, welcome, welcome. Jax, hi. Boom, Sonic, boom. Ah!
What's the matter, buddy?
Spoilers, 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 spoilers.
My wife.
Why am I moving my hands like that? I don't know. Am I a windscreen wiper now? Is it done? No, it's not done.
It's me.
Dina and I wondered where she went
Oh,
after
little
the
Sonic Boom.
nuclear failed.
Sonic Boom.
Failed.
How is everybody doing tonight? Sorry I'm late. I thought, hey, I'll play some Diablo 4 for a little bit. And then I was like, oh, I'm at the end of the game. I can't really stop now. And it was like 2 hours later. I was like, like, well, I'm in hell now, so I may as well finish the game at this point. So, uh-oh. Why is is Stream Elements broken? Uh-oh. Dad joke? Is the dad joke broken? I feel cheated. Doing well, tuning in everyone playing Tears of the Kingdom. Nice, nice. I did see the box collector's edition that you got. Savage. It does look very nice. Very nice. Rigged. I know. This is Calm's way of telling me like, hey, you shouldn't have played Diablo 4 earlier. And look what we're gonna do now. We're gonna strip you of the one thing that you probably have that probably has going for you at the moment. Dad jokes. It's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. I'm just gonna copy that. Delete it. Get it again. Pretend like nothing ever happened. Oh god, facts ain't working. No, that's just the player's guide. Oh really? Oh, I look like a collector's edition box. My bad. My bad. Oh, hi Olivia. I just followed you on Twitter. I hope you do the same. Oh, okay. I mean, I can't promise anything, but you know, I'm sure I won't.
What
Sure
do a
I'll,
tick and
it's
the
fine.
Eiffel Tower have in common? They're both Paris sites.
Who needs dad joke command when Jax has just got the text to speech locked down? So it's fine. Although I'm very tempted to pay $100 just for that Zelda Pro controller. True. Oh, thank you, Jax. Thank you, Savage. Yeah, I mean, if you follow me on Twitter, cool, but I'm not gonna don't like scream at me to like follow you back, please. Oh, no worries. Yeah, it's fine. It just caught me a little off guard. Anyways, so is all of Stream Elements down? It just gets better and better, doesn't it? Okay, so Stream Elements is down. That's new. Dear Math, grow up and solve your own problems. Exactly. Exactly. Oh. Oh. Thank you, Savage. Thank you. Oh well. Okay, so no bots, no dad jokes. Or I could just like get a page of dad jokes and just kind of copy and paste them now and again. Moving on. Yeah. Play some Sonic 2, shall we? Oh, we'll go the retro. We're gonna go. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. This is fine. It's fine. This is, this is fine. This is totally fine. I don't know what the issue is here. See? Look at that. What? Can we hear the game? Probably not. Should hear the game. Why the fuck am I not hearing the game? Just also just swapped to mix it up already. All right. Okay. I will, maybe. I don't know. Probably not. I've heard it's good. Mix it up. It's a lot of work though, isn't it? If I'm not mistaken. Oh, device not connected. Nice. Hey, there we go. So I'm guessing the capture card just decided to unplug itself. I have all the hoodlums. Oh yeah, because I beat the game, I got mirror mode. Can you click on Sonic 3 just so I can hear how they did the soundtrack when you get the audio working? I mean, oh, so you want me to do? Okay, so if I just do Sonic 3 and Knuckle. Start. I've been doing mission mode, but I mean I could just always just jump in. At least shoutouts work. That's true. Shoutouts do. You want me to just start up? That's, oh yeah, we can't be having it on anniversary mode. Can we? Probably skip this because I'm going to see this in a bit. Oh look, it's Knuckles. No, I know. Savage wants me to check something. Oh, actually, I can just skip this for now. Okay. I'll probably watch it. I'm sorry to hijack, but the soundtrack is my biggest hang up on buying this game. You would buy this game, but not you would. So the only thing that's stopping you buying this game is the soundtrack for this. Correct? Is it not? Was it? Is it a different version? I know you can have like European and Japanese and American, of course, because that's what CD had. But well, it was two. It was American and European / Japanese. But I'm guessing it's the same with Sonic 3. So Sonic 3 is moved to be music done by Michael Jackson's Secret. Oh right, yeah. And they've cut that out from the game, have they? Yeah, because from what I remember, every remake has had to change the soundtrack. Oh, so the only way you can get that music is if you have a original copy of Sonic 3 and Knuckles then. That's a bit shit, but hey, it's fine. You made me do TV. Okay, cool. I think now that you say that, I think I remember looking at it before, and it was like, is it the base, like one where you go to, basically you have to jump on like Eggman's base egg ship thing, and I think because they said that was meant to be like Michael Jackson-esque music, which has been later changed. But yeah, without more dilly-dallying of the dilly-dally, let's continue on where we left off, which was, so yeah, Sonic 2, Emerald Hill Zone 1. So we had I think we did the intro at the end of the last time we played this. Sorry for the delay. No, you're fine, Jeff. You're fine, Savage. It's fine. It's fine. Don't need to apologise at all. I have 3 on my Xbox Arcade for 360, but I wouldn't mind getting Origins if they kept the soundtrack. Yeah. I see. But yeah, we got Tails. Tails, for the first time, is a playable character. Well, I think he's playable. Is he playable? No, he's not. He's playable in the Origins version. But I think in the original game he was... Oh, did I? Oh, God. Sorry. I thought I said Savage, but if I did, I can only apologise. It's just one of those days, huh? One of those days. Oh, fuck off. Because it's like, okay. This is probably one of my... I remember playing this a lot as a kid because I had the Mega Collection and Gen Collection on the PS2. I remember doing these bonus stages a lot. I don't think I was alright, but the later ones, the later Chaos Emeralds bonus stages are quite difficult, and you basically can't afford to get hit by obstacles, which is kind of wild. Music slaps though. Oh shit, I missed it. Honestly, I think is it 120 rings I've got to collect? We're on that. I want to get at least. I want to get that hit that with Sonic, because if Tails does get hit for whatever reason, because he does slightly stagger behind me, then I'm safe. If that makes sense. Well, that's one Chaos Emerald. The Mega Collection on my GameCube. I think I've actually still got. I bought it recently. Mega Collection, Gem Collection. I've actually played it on stream. Because we played Gem Collection for Sonic CD. Sonic Sonic R. Good old Sonic R. Everybody super Sonic racing. You know, arguably one of the best Sonic OSTs of all time. Just putting it out there. Like Sonic R has no right to slap that hard. Don't lose my rings? Okay. Ask and you shall receive. Hope you're happy, Jack.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Yeah, that sums up quite a lot of the stream already. But no, Emerald Hill though. Yeah, and this is the first time. Well, yeah, because this was set after. Well, this is CD's set after 1.
No, God! No, God,
please no.
No! No! No!
So, Emerald Hill or Green Hill Zone? What are we saying? Probably Green Hill, am I right? Because that's like the most iconic of the bunch. I did like Palm Tree Panic Mind from Sonic CD. That was kind of nice. Yeah. I will say, Sonic CD that's a banger. I do really like that. Okay. I'm just sorry. I just trying to get some rings. Yeah, so you get 50. So I can hit this and go to the portal. Oh look, it's Green Hill Zone without being called Green Hill Zone. Crazy, right? Green Hill is the first game as well. True. Yeah, it's probably my only gripe with Sonic Frontiers was that like half the like cyberspace stages were literally Green Hill Zone. I'm like, can you have a little bit of variety, please? Like, okay, we had Chemical Plant. Ooh, Chemical Plant. Oh, okay, that's weird. Normally, if you don't move up in the air, you just drop down. Unless I'm misremembering that. I think I might be misremembering that. Normally, I'm pretty sure in the original it was like if you got to the top and just didn't move, it would just drop you straight back down. But there, I had to like physically like move around again. Like Sonic was literally stuck to the roof. I was like, okay. Oh, you. Oh, this is not good. Okay, we're fine. Yeah! Fine. The screen moves in the bonus stage? The fuck? Wait, does it? Oh, when you get hit. I wasn't really I was too in my own head. That's a bit weird if that is the case. Oh no, when you on the roof. Oh, the screen shaked? That's what I mean, like, I feel like you weren't meant to, like, stay on the roof for that long. Oh, okay, yeah. Sorry. Okay, another bonus stage. Nice. Oh look, it's the color of Tails. Come on, Tails. This is your moment. Your moment. Next Sonic game should be called Sonic Green Hill. In homage to Green Hill, and every stage is, but every stage is not Green Hill. Even though the game is called Green Hill, there's no Green Hill Zone in the game. Just to fuck with people. I did a... Oh god. Yeah, you can jump. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna cheat, sorry. Just start again. Gotta jump there, buddy. Crazy, right? Isn't it? You know, a line of a line of enemies, and it's like I can't just, you know, like phase shift through them. Crazy, right? Jump. Basic requirement in a Sonic game. You out of your mind? Thinking about being out of my mind. Oh, if I just... Hey, is that her? Hello. Welcome in, buddy. Oh god, Tails, no! Not this way. Not this way. Please. Oh, this is bad. This is really bad. This is really bad. Okay. I'm good. I'm good. Technical difficulties and running late because Diablo 4 took over my my last 3 hours. But yeah, apart from that, good. Really good. And just realizing how bad I am at bonus stages in this game. Also a great time. But I hope you're well. Yeah, that's a big old rip. Are you looking forward to Sonic Superstars? Yeah, that looks good. From the teaser trailer I've seen, it looks good. Also, I don't know if you saw my Discord, but Gex is coming back. You know, arguably one of my favorite gaming franchises, trilogies on the PlayStation 1 is having a remake or remaster. Like, okay. Hello? Like, when I said, like, okay, I would really like a Gex remake, I was joking, because I thought that franchise was dead. Like, I was like, there's no way that they're going to bring this back, because it's just so out of touch from reality. There's no way. But no, they're doing it. And I'm like, okay then. You have my attention. So not only in like the last like nearly 10 years. Oh, fuck me, why am I so bad at this? Oh. Yeah. I got to stage 2 at least. I wished it into existence. I did. I sure did. I sure did. Oh, Super Mario RPG, yes. That is also coming. That's also getting a remake. But yeah, so the Gex trilogy is coming back. I didn't play the first Gex game because it was a 2D side-scroller, so it was a little bit before me. Well, not a little bit before me, but like I just didn't. I never picked up the game. I don't think I knew it existed until much later on. So, but I played the absolute living daylight out of the second and third game franchise. Holy moly! No, I didn't. No, I was way short. I was way short. Tails is gonna fucking be my own worst enemy. Yep. No, I needed like 150 or something, and I was nowhere near the mark. So I kept losing, because when you take a hit, you lose rings. Oh, how much I need now? 160. Jesus. Actually, how am I... Oh, that's so annoying. So annoying. Swashbuckling Adventure. Thank you for the lurk. Appreciate it, dude. Appreciate it. Winners only here. That's right, Moister. That's right. I need 160 rings. So I basically need to memorize where the paths are, and basically try and get so that Tails doesn't get hit by anything. Hard because it's like going on a diagonal. And it's like ramped. Kind of awkward. Okay. It's going good. Going good. I'm not very good at these games, so you just have to bear with whilst I'm just I think we've been like 5 minutes in this bonus stage. So it's going good. Doing good, you know? Things are great. I say Gex. The Gex trilogy's been remastered, remade. So life is great, right? It is. It is. It's not just the second and third game; it's the first game as well, which was, I think, it was on the N64 as well. Tails, for the love of all that's holy. Okay, no, so I'm 8 short this time. Yeah, they. It's funny because it was a little. There was a what was it called? A show was doing like a load of like indie reveals and remasters. I think there was a Tomba. Tomba's getting a remake. Was there like a Castlevania thing as well? Yeah, I know, so close. That was my best run so far. So. But yeah, they're redoing the Gex trilogy. So the only thing is, they when they teased it, they had the American voice actor, I think, for Gex, doing the reveal. It was his voice. It wasn't the PAL, like the European one. So I don't know what's happening. If this is going to be the American one's going to be Universal going forward, I don't know. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. It's just that's not what I've grown up on. Or if you can have an option to switch between the two regions, that would be pretty sick. Oh my god. Yeah, well this is a fucking shit show. Nope. There's also going to be a new Game Boy Advance game. Yeah, I'm assuming. Yeah, I think I'm assuming as well, because for the second game, I'm not sure if there was one for the first game, if I'm being honest. I've not played it. But the second game, the voice actor's no longer with us, Leslie Phillips. He died a long time. He died a few years ago, a few years back. For the second game. And then the third game was Danny John Jules, which is Red Dwarf, a cat from Red Dwarf. I don't know if he'll reprise the role. Or not. We'll just have to wait and see. Oh, is it Shantae? Ah, okay. I know there was one. I think I saw Tomba as well. Or Tomba. Or Tomba was gonna a re-release of some sorts. Okay. We're talking about Gex. It's a little PS1 platformer trilogy series of games that came out a while back in the early mid to late 90s. I did it! Finally! Oh, that took me like 6 times. I think at least. If you got 3. I love how that's like not even like the 6th or 7th one, that's the 3rd one. Like shit. Castlevania. Oh yes, I did see that. Because there's like 4 different covers, isn't there, for Castlevania? There's like Alucard, the other ones, and then there's the other main characters, I think. Or main characters for those types of games. I still need to finish Red Dwarf. I think I got to like season 9. I've watched bits of episodes here and there, but I've not gone like from season 1 all the way through. I've only watched like episodes here and there. Oh, boss fight. Well, that was stupid. probably, and to be fair, that's probably not the most stupidest thing I've done this stream. Go me. Alright, I gotta watch for the... There's one bit phase where the... Yep, there we go. Drill. Flies out. Boom. You never played that game before? It's a good game for its time, I'd say. It's a well-made game, but a lot, because it was mid to late 90s it came out. There's a lot of like he's a bit of a swashbuckling lizard, Gex. He's got a bit of he's got his one-liners and stuff. And I know the PAL versions probably are a little more outdated nowadays. Oh, fucking. Speaking of not outdated. Oh, Chemical Plant just hits fucking different. Not gonna lie, when I played this game as a kid on the Mega Collection, Chemical Plant scared the living shit out of me. Like, for real. Like, it actually, because of the purple water. And that's where I got my... No, and that's where I got like the whole thing of like, oh my god, if I'm drowning with Sonic, you get the... And it's just like, nope, I don't like this game anymore. I think only once or twice I've got past Chemical Plant when I played as a kid. I think it's Marble Garden after this. And then is it Casino Night? Maybe? I can't remember off the top of my head. I can't wait. I will say with 3, I know it's not going to be the original soundtrack, but there's a few stages in that game. Got some bangers. Oh, okay. I'm just going to miss all the checkpoints. You see why I wanted the soundtrack for 3 to remain intact? Yeah, no, that's fair. That's fair. I'm just curious if they're going to modernize the jokes on it. Yeah, that's the thing, isn't it? Because they can't use the same ones as before, surely, because it's going to get cancelled pretty quick. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see what jokes, like how they modernize the jokes, and like who's going to do the voice acting for Gex. Hey, I got a coin. That's another extra attempt on a bonus round. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what, yeah, like I say, because we don't know anything about who's voicing, who's doing the voice acting. Like, okay, we heard the American voice actor for Gex originally, but he might not even be doing it. I see we get Keanu Reeves. Oh, that would be insane. Imagine. He just comes down, he's like, yeah, I really loved Gex as a kid, not like back in the day, and I'm like, are you gonna do the voice? He's like, yeah, why not? And I'm like, everyone's just fainted in sheer shock. Yes, Swash. So about midnight our time, midnight my time last night. Well, technically today, if it's midnight. There was a. Thank you, Savage. Thank you for having my nightmares again. I like him as Johnny Silverhand, but that's where I draw the line. Okay. I really like Keanu. I think it's just a cool dude. But yeah, yeah. So they did like sort of like a Game Awards show, but it was more for like indie titles, and like I think the show was based off like remakes and remasters. So, and one of the things that got announced was the Gex trilogy, which is basically a remake / remaster of the 3 Gex games that came out on the PS1. So there was Gex 3D Enter the Gecko, and Gex 3 Deep Cover Gecko was what the titles were. That's how I remember them to be called. I still have the games actually on my PS1. I think I might have got them. I think I got them cleaned. And that's just. And I think I had to swap. Oh, this is good. No, fuck this. Yeah. But yeah, all they've said is like it's going to. They've just revealed it basically, and the original voice actor for the American version of the game did like a little cameo, like saying a couple lines. Tail time, and then like it said, yeah, it's coming on Xbox, PlayStation 4, 5, Xbox Series X, Switch, Steam, all the consoles. So yeah, I'm pretty. I saw this at 2 o'clock in the morning, and I nearly screamed. Nearly. I was so close. I thought it was an April Fool's joke first, but I realized it wasn't April. So. Because another reason why that game's near and dear to my heart as well is the fact that I put so much hours into it, but also the second and third game were my first 2 games that ever streamed on Twitch. What was the game show called? Oh, now you're asking. I know the acronym is like LR3. A last something or another. Tails, please, for the love of God, Tails. That's it, limited run. Thank you. Because yeah, I could have just checked on my Discord or on my Twitter because I retweeted it. But yeah, I think it was Limited Run 3 or Limited Run, and it yeah, if you look on there, that you'll see it. And there's like a 30-second, there's like a minute and a half teaser trailer revealing it basically. Yeah, so all we need now, right? All we need now for my childhood, for my PS1 childhood to be reborn, is Ape Escape remake, and we're good. We're good. We're just good. You know. Imagine. Oh God, imagine that. Imagine Ape Escape getting a remake. Holy fuck! I would pre-order it straight away. Like no questions asked. Like, I wouldn't even hesitate. Just like, yep. Like Fry from Futurama. What happened? Take my money. Okay, we're doing better this time. 150 rings. Dead. Oh, let's go. Let's go. That was easy. That was easier than the last one. It would have to come down to whether or not Sony's up for doing it. Oh yeah, because it's their IP. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Yes, because it's only been on the PlayStation, isn't it? Escape. I love Ape Escape 1 especially. 2 was good. I haven't played 3. I don't know how good 3 is in terms of in comparison to the rest of them. But I mean, we've played 1 and 2 on stream, and I've 100% of the games, and that was a bunch of fun. That was always the section I get stuck on, by the way, as a kid. I would get stuck there, and I would probably fuck up this bit as well, to be fair. I kind of wish they'd make another Star Fox game, because Zero was trash. The only Star Fox game I've ever played, and I know this is going to sound awful, but I've only ever played Star Fox Adventures on the GameCube. I didn't even beat it. I got like a couple of hours in. Wait. Oh, there was a checkpoint there. Damn it. Ah, it was the one before the boss as well. Okay, that's annoying. Lovely. That's not very nice. Oh, and I just died. Straight up died. We would have been on 5? 5 or... Yeah, 5 Chaos Emeralds? We got that one there. That's fine. Come on, Tails. Hit him. There we go. Thank you. Hey, Luco. It's Sonic. Yeah, it is. Sure is. Got through Act 2. Wait, that is... Chemical Plant done. And I believe it's Marble Garden now? Oh no, Aquatic Ruin, sorry. Marble Garden is Sonic 3. Which, this is another banger to be fair. Thank you. Oh yeah, this is the one with all the arrows coming out of the fucking wall. Oh, lovely. Oh. Oh no, Marble Garden is, yes, you're right. Marble Garden is Sonic 1 actually. Sonic 3. What am I thinking of then? Oh, I hit the checkpoint without getting 15. I wanted to find that funny because many Star Fox fans wanted another game like Star Fox 64, and what did they get for their insistence? A game that wasn't that good. Yeah, from what I played in Star Fox Adventures, it was alright, but it was, yeah, I don't know, it was quite confusing. But then you realise afterwards it's like, oh yeah, this is not actually a Star Fox game. I'm like, oh, okay. Where did it all go wrong, eh? Guess that's Act 1. I got a funny feeling now we're gonna be like really bad at collecting 50 rings in a level and not lose them before a checkpoint. That's fine. As long as the music slaps, it's fine. Ah. Tails, no! My boy! Lovely. Okay, so not only have I got normal enemies to worry about and arrows, also we've got wasps. Oh, and enemies that come out of walls. Love that. Okay. Oh, we got to start from the start. We didn't get a checkpoint. Every fucking time. Every bloody fucking time. Oh. What's in there? Their pockets be... Tails? Did Tails just kill Sonic? Oh, I normally like you, but fucking hell, dude. Line was nearly drawn there, to be fair. Yeah, of course, yeah. I forgot about the lingering moths off screen. I apologize. Oh, this one. Do you vaguely remember this? You gotta hit the arrows and or jump on the arrows and hit him. Okay. Okay, so you can do it from. Oh, what are there? Oh. Oh. Thanks, Tails. Wow. How would I have guessed that it was there? Oh. Oh, brother. That's fine. No rings. No problem. Look at me, that animation. Okay. I'm still wondering when the new Perfect Dark is supposed to come out. Oh yeah! That was meant to be coming out on the new the Xbox One. Originally. The new Perfect Dark. I got Casino Night, right? That's good. I think this is the furthest I've ever gotten in Sonic 2. Oh wait. Isn't there like a labyrinth zone after this? Correct me if I'm wrong. I think there's a lab. Isn't it like a purpley like labyrinth maze zone? Well, this should be a good one to get a load of rings because it's a casino. So yeah, no. Slot machines and whatnot. Gambling. Ooh. Whatever you do, Tails, do not get 3 Eggmans, please. Strike it lucky. Oh, fuck! Ooh. I thought I was a goner. Not gonna lie, I thought I was a goner there. I got 50 rings. Oh, okay. Love this. Love this. Oh, okay. Is there a checkpoint anywhere? That's a solid no. Oh, yeah. Oh. Hey, next. Oh. I often thought that Nintendo fans don't want their precious favorite little game series to evolve and try something new, and instead they just want those choose to stick to previously established formulas. Or like Mario and Zelda is probably what you're thinking. As a case in point. Oh. Again, thought I was dead there. Oh, hey, checkpoint. Okay, wish me luck. Oh god, this looks a bit trippy. Okay, this looks a bit trippy. Not gonna lie. With the exception of Mario and Zelda. Oh yeah, I suppose because of Breath of the Wild and Odyssey and stuff like that. Oh wait, you do fall off. Wait, why wasn't doing that in the first level? First bonus level. Fails, please. Okay, okay. Okay, hi Jack. I just saw you your name pop up there, buddy. How you doing? Oh, do the loop de loop.
I'm seeing like.
Oh, fucking damn it.
Yeah, I didn't lose any health, but
Oh. Oh, Citizen! Oh.
Whoa!
oh god.
Oh.
Oh no!
Hi.
Oh no! Oh no! We.
Go follow Jack. Go check out his streams.
Okay,
cool.
Jesse, I'm gonna need you to listen to me very closely.
Dude, I'm 350. Oh my god, can I stop
You went so far.
Okay. You're bringing back memories, Jack? Because this is like proper classic, isn't it? Proper classic, innit? Okay. Hey, I got up. Okay. Wait, do I need 200 rings? Okay. That's not good. Oh, it. No. One ring. One ring short. That hurts. That hurts. That hurts my soul. I don't think I'm gonna. I'm just thinking about it now. I'm not gonna enjoy the Sonic 3's bonus Emerald stages. This is Sonic 2. This is Sonic 2. This is. I'm remembering now Sonic 3's Emerald stages, and oh, yeah, they get quick pretty quick. They get tricky quick. Oh, I remember. Yeah, that sucked. That really sucked. I'm on less rings than I was the first time around, so really got to step it up here. Okay, we did better much better that time around. Oh, the ring. Oh, the ring or the emerald? Oh, we've got 5. Yeah, we've got 2 left. Oh, Sonic Originu. And this music brings back some memories. Oh, I bet it does. No, I am not looking forward to the blue spheres. Oh god, no. That's gonna suck ass. I remember now playing it on the Mega Collection, and it was not fun. Especially when you get late into the stage, when it goes really quickly. I physically can't keep up. Sonic 2 was my first Sonic game, played it on a compact PC. Hell yeah, that's awesome. That's fucking end of act 1. Okay, so we got two more Chaos Emeralds to get. Am I gonna? Because in Sonic 1 I didn't get the good ending. I got the bad ending. I think I only got 4. I want to say 4 Chaos Emeralds out of the 7. I might be wrong though. I can't remember off the top of my head. So we're doing better than Sonic 1. CD we got. I think we got all the time stones, but we also broke all the generators as well. I did use a bit of a gun. I wasn't going to spend 2 hours on one stage just looking for a fucking generator. And I did. And I think I broke all the Metal Sonic injections as well. Memory serves me right. I need one ring. One ring. Just need one ring. I would like a ring. That's not nice. First time I go into Slot Machine and it's, yep. The fucking... Oh, I got 50 back. I'll take it. I'll take it. That's just my fucking luck, that is. Out of morbid curiosity, I'd love to see you play the Game Gear games. I think I played them, aren't they on the Mega Collection? I think I might have played them as a kid, way back when. But I didn't get very far, or I just lost interest very quickly, because I was like, this is not the Genesis Edition version. So I'm like, fuck this. But yeah, maybe one day, once we've done these and then we've done Sonic Mania, we'll look at other Sonic games. Thank you for the follow, by the way. Sorry, I did hear it. It was mid-sentence on something. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I see Faye has just shouted me out, so she's probably just read my birthday message I sent to her. Go check out Faye Editsia, by the way. It's her birthday today. She's 30. Oh yeah, the Game Gear games are going to be on the DLC, aren't they? Well, there goes my run. It's fun while it lasted. Yep, it was very much fun while it lasted. 11 rings short. Damn it! So close. Yeah, but if I've got it on PS2, I probably won't play. I don't know. Gives me an excuse to use the PS2 instead of using an Xbox by DLC. No, that's me just thinking. I'm so good at this game, I do it several times. It's, to be fair, the music is so catchy in this song, in the classic Sonic thing. Like, it's hard to get them out of your head. $220 rings. Wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. That's 6. 6. One more. And we don't have to worry about... I think, if I'm not mistaken as well, once you get 7, you get an extra, like, boss stage, I think. So... I think... But my knowledge of, like from this point onwards, it's basically like watching long plays of the game. So it's not actual, like actual knowledge. It's just like from what I've read and seen. Damn, son, where'd you find him? Where's that damn 7th? I know, right? I wish Shadow would have needed him. Where's that damn 4th Chaos Emerald? I'm guessing I have to go down here. Oh, isn't the boss stage for this on a pinball machine? I feel like it is. Oh! Is it time? Is it time? One of my I did, speaking of bonus stages, emerald stages, I really like the one in Sonic Mania. I thought Sonic Mania's one was really cool. It was kind of akin to CD. We have to like run after things, or you have to chase something. Damn it. Okay, that was 4 by my standards, but we just about got through that. Okay, 990 rings. Oh, okay. Yeah, just ignore the rings, Andrew. Like, it's definitely not the currency you need to get to. Damn it. No, not the one. Okay, okay. It's gonna be tricky, because I'm gonna try and memorize the pattern. Which is gonna be tricky on a good day, let alone the current mental state I'm in. Sometimes it switches, sometimes it stays on the same side. I gotta try and guess, basically. Okay. $110. Oh, what the... Oh. Tails. Why? Did we do it? Did we do it? By 2 rings. 2 rings. And this is the 3rd classic Sonic game where I've gotten all the Chaos Emeralds. Cheated, but GG, I know. I mean, anniversary mode's there for a reason, so I'm Ah, here we go. Hey, got it. Nice. Okay, so we just got to get to the end now. We don't have to worry about rings. Well, not worry. Like not like not worry about it, but like no. Hilltop? Oh, let's go. I thought this was Sonic 3. Oh, what a banger this is. Nearly died, that's fine. It's kind of like a cross between Marble Garden and Green Hill Zone. Feels like to me. Okay. I don't know if I don't know. It's giving me that kind of vibe. It didn't look like an area to get. Oh, it is. I was like, I looked at it and I was like, can I jump it? I was like, nailed it. It's amazing how well they made, how catchy they made it sound, you know, in the early 90s with these games. Like, it's amazing how well they did. In my personal, I just you know, even with like Sonic 1, they didn't, you know, they didn't, like the soundtrack for the time was top notch. Ah. No, I'm. Yeah, just walk on lava, it's fine. Whee! There you go, Act 1. Yeah, so my memory's hazy now of what levels are left in the game. Like what's after like Hilltop, I don't know. I just genuinely don't. So I will find. Well, no, I don't know. I just can't remember from when I watched those long plays all those years ago. Have you looked into AW5 Forever yet at all? No, not yet. It looks a hell lot of fun though. I saw the Stadium Stampede Battle Royale thing, and that looked hella fun. No, it's all good. It's all good. I know it. I mean, you know, well, I won't say no. I think what last? I think I played 2K18 or was it 19? Last time I played. Mistakes have been made. Mistakes have been made. Mistakes have been made. I'm considering it myself just for the arcade style it offers, very similar to WWF No Mercy. Yeah, that's, from what I've seen of it, it looks very arcadey and it just looks nuts. Looks like a bunch of fun. I played it, not my thing. I don't really care for the No Mercy style. That's fair. You're quite entitled to that opinion. No, you meant to. Am I just gonna like? Am I using all my iframes to kill to wipe out Dr. Eggman? I am. I most definitely am. That's funny. I was just like, iframes. I'm not fussed, to be honest. If it's solid, it doesn't break, and you know, I know people will play the game, then I don't mind getting. Oh, I remember this level. Mystic Cave. This is the level. This is the one this is the one I thought was called like Labyrinth or something, or Labyrinth. Mystic Cave. cave. Oh, this music again slaps. I didn't see that until it was too late. Am I going the wrong way? Oh. Excuse me. Yes, I was. Mystic Cave is a banger. It's a banger. I can't deny that. It's a banger. It's very eerie. It fits the level so well. Oh, there's a checkpoint there. Those things scare me. Thank you for the clip. Act 1's done. Okay, so the clip command works. The other command works, it's just nothing else. Cool. Mystic Cave Zone 2. I don't think, again, I think I got Act 1 done. Oh, the dad joke's working. Hey, it's back. What did the digital clock say to the grandfather clock? Look, no hands! Very true. See what you did there. I see what you did there. Fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. It's not fine, and you panic. Oh. I have returned. I'm in my natural habitat. Savage is happy now. It's a happy bunny. Happy. Oh, is that the checkpoint for the boss? It is. Oh. Oh. Bicycles. Yeah. Love that. How am I gonna predict where they're gonna fucking fall down from? What do you want me to do? Drops keep falling off my head. Nice. Good stuff. 2 rings, all we need. 2 rings and a prayer. I need to screen. Okay, so what's the next zone? Oh, Oil Ocean! Remember this from Mania, Sonic Mania. I thought this was Sonic 3, not Sonic 2. Huh. Oh yeah, this is the one where yeah, you can't actually... The only way you can die from the oil is, like, drown in the oil is if you don't jump. Right. I'm like, hello? Can I take your order, please? Come on, come back. Do I have to go off screen? Oh. I jumped. Can't even say otherwise, I jumped. I think that, oh yeah, it must be. That should have killed me. Straight up. Should have been murdered. But you know, Sonic's made some stern stuff. Remember that Dwayne and Brando Sonic song that I had you listening to on stream? Oh yes. Then when we were playing Assassin's Creed Black Flag at the time. It's the one I'm thinking of. I vaguely remember the song, yes. Is it to, oh, was it to beat this, or was it... Does it have some sort of connection to Oil Ocean, does it? I'm assuming it. Well, that's unfortunate. Oh. Yeah, 'cause isn't this like Oil Ocean where like you can get like a... Like if you had a fire field, you could literally light the floor on fire. I think that happens in the end of Act 1 into Act 2, where basically the floor is now... Everything's just on fire. Oh, whoa, look at us go! Look at us! 10 rings. I'd love to see it. Thank you for turning off as soon as I jump on an enemy. Or I go walk over an enemy. Appreciate that. There was an Oil Ocean segment in it. Makes sense. I mean, it was 4 minutes because I spent like 1 ring to rule them all. Spent like 3 minutes trying to get out of one section. Excuse me. Thank you. I was gonna die for a second. Oh, right. I was just scared. That's my one and only Lord of the Rings reference for this year. Hey, it's a pretty good one. Oh, you can climb up this. Can I though? I think I can. I get to here and it's just like, no. That was any catastrophic. Oh, stop shooting things, seahorse. Yay! And I'm invincible! Oh. I'm back here again. I can go on a massive detour. Oh yeah, I can do a drop dash, don't I? Can't I can drop dash. Here we go. It's good to know that Tails is immortal in this game. Yeah, he's died about, I think, 50 times in this game so far. At the very least. He's very much of the invincible kind. I remember watching like a little, it was like a sketch show. And it was like, oh, Tails' curse of being immortal. And it was like, yeah, this is great. It's like Sonic 3 where he's doing all the boss fights, dying, coming back. He's like, yeah, this is great. That it's like cuts to like 50 years later or something, like 70 years later. And he's like, oh my god, why can't I die? All my friends are dead. It's just like, oh my god. I can't remember the YouTube channel, but they did a load of like Sonic like Sonic sketches, in this art style. Oh, okay, so I gotta hit him and then dodge those. Well, that's not very nice. A few hits in that. Tails! No! My ring! Look. Oh shit, this isn't good. Yep, nice. Finishing another level with boss level with 0 rings. Love to see it. There is an ending for the Game Gear version of Sonic 2 where Tails does die. Oh god. Remind me to try not to get that ending, please. Yeah, keep jumping, buddy. Keep jumping. Oh. Oh, I remember the music for this. Oh, slaps. This is so good. Okay. The stations have upped their game a little bit. Oh, alright. Nice. I do think the SNES has the better sound chip. Well, compared to the Genesis. That's it. Huh? Can you fucking not do that, please? Oh my god. Alright. Fucking crab just doesn't want to move. Hit. Yeah, have a word with yourself. Please? Oh, of course. Go me. No. Down. Then what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do then? Not a massive fan of the quang. Oh, that's fine. That is fair enough. That is annoying. Whoa. Falling in my skin. These roots, they will not heal. That's crawling. I was like, boom, 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 boom. How do you do the infinite jump glitch? Pew, 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 pew. Okay. Oh, we got magma. That's when you know shit's about to get serious. You don't hate. further audio of the SNES. The music from Metropolis just... I think it's my favourite so far. Really. Out of the levels I've not heard in this game, or played, you know, out of the new, like the newer levels. I think I want to see Metropolis. Wait, isn't this one just started? It was, isn't it? I've looped. I've looped. Nice. Not nice. Yeah. Oh my god, please. This was a no getting hit chance and you would have failed already. I mean, yeah, I mean, the fact that you said don't lose your rings in the first level and I lost my rings just kind of says everything turned out. Doesn't. I will refer you to evidence A, evidence 1.1, and how I'm bad at some things. I wish those star things just would like leave me the fuck alone. Oh. Would be nice. They just didn't blow up every few seconds in my general direction. Would greatly appreciate that. Oh. That's the first. Wait, is this the last level? No, it can't be. You got Death Egg. Is it Death Egg? That's 2. Zone 3. First zone to have a third act. Okay, so I can't go through that door. Can go up here. Yeah. Okay, that was a checkpoint. Going up. Shit. Panic. I got panicked again. Okay, I got a checkpoint. And I'm dead. That's all good now. I got no rings. No. Okay, how am I gonna get up there? Like that. Rings, need rings, need rings. Oh god, oh, thank you. I was in desperate need of rings. What's the boomerangs fucking coming in? I'm tired of Tasmanian tiger, for God's sake. Okay. Oh look, it's Sonic's equivalent of the infinite ladder from Metal Gear Solid 3. Love that. I hate that. No. Look at Tails, he's just there like, I'm not gonna help you. No, no. No, no. Nah, fam. Look at him. He's like, yeah. Why are you taking so long, Sonic? Bruh. I hate you so much. I hate you so much. I hate you so... Can't even get to that. They'll probably respawn those star fucking enemies as well. I'm gonna get another like 3 that pop up and come back up this fucking screw. Oh. 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 Okay. Oh, boss fight. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, I gotta defeat his fucking minions. Alright. Oh, it's like a bubble. Oh, weird. Thank you, Tails. I love how Tails is doing most of the work. Nice. Again, one ring. One ring and a dream. So that is Act 3 of Metropolis. What happens next? Sky Chase. Oh god. Sonic Adventure 1 all over again. Oh, I hate this. I hate this already. Went in to defeat all the other Robotniks. I know, I probably should. I'm guessing the other Robotniks would have showed themselves at some point, and I didn't have to like damage boost my way through. Here we are. I've lost all my fucking. I'm dead. I've lost all my ring. I've never done this. Wasn't there one in Sonic Adventure 1 called Sky Chase?
Ocelot never lets his prey escape.
Because Ocelot's another word for tiger. Get down! I don't have a revolver though. He only has a little pistol. I'm a bit disappointed, to be honest. A little disappointed. I mean, we can't stop here, can we? Yeah, thank God it's out.
Oh no, why did I laugh at that? Oh no.
God fucking damn it, Andrew. Why are you so immature? At this point, it's just best to continue. Yeah, that's what I thought. So I'm gonna go back to Midnight Mountain now. No, it must be more than 120. Because, yeah, there's like loads of levels left to go. Haha. Oh my god, how am I meant to tell? I can't tell what I'm meant to do for that door. I feel like it's a door, but it's not. Because it eventually led me to knowing legends such as Welsh, Jill, and everyone else. I appreciate that, buddy. I don't think I'm top. I don't think I'm anywhere near the top of that list, but you know. I mean, in as esteemed company as Jill. You're amazing. I mean, found me now. I'm assuming I just get out of here now, do I? Walk away, you know how. Don't stop caring about me now. Aren't you the guy? Somebody clip that. Oh. Nailed it. Nailed it. And the greatest driver of all time. Oh, fuck. He's not completely gone. Yeah. Sorry, I'm back. My mum was ringing me and she asked me to do something. Try to run a little quick errand. I'm back. All those little critters were safer in the bots that are at that altitude. You just bust them open, falling to their deaths. I mean, yeah. Are we the bad guys? I mean, Sonic is a villain confirmed. But yeah, I was correct, so yeah. Well, I recognise the name of it, Sky Chase. Okay then. Oh, what a wombo combo that was. Damn, sir. Extra coin. Continue, I guess. I mean, this is good for Sonic 3, actually. Before we get the more points for Sonic 3. Oh, Eggman's flag skip. I meant to do something there? Oh. I'm scared. Really? Alright. Okay. Wing Fortress Zone. What is this? Flying battery? From Sonic and Knuckles? That is also a banger of a song, I will say. Flying Battery. So, Act 1 and Act 2. Both top tier. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Don't jump. Fine. I might be here a while. Not the lack of rings that's going to kill me, it's the gravity. Can I jump through those? I don't think I got a funny thing that the flame is gonna hit me. It's gonna hit Sonic, right? Or is it in the background and it won't hit? I suppose I could find out. Or not. Oh. It's not giving me much leeway on the... So much so that I just die. Okay. Patience. Okay. Okay. I would like a checkpoint at some point. Of course, those platforms decided to disappear at the right moment. Thank you. Yoink. Yeah, exactly. Oh, watch that first step. It's a doozy. Watch that first step, because it's a doozy. Or just don't register with the hang bar. That's fine. Guess I jumped a little too far. Cross. Oh, I don't like that at all. No. Did it again. Oh, well, now that I know I can just hop a little bit, I could probably play a little bit more safe and not jump as far. And then... Biggest level so far, Winged Fortress. Damn. Bit of a risky jump, but fine. Oh. Hey, checkpoint. Nice. Finally. We're home free. I just feel a little bit more better now because, you know, I don't have to worry about doing the whole starting section again, which is kind of nice. Not gonna lie. Oh, hang on. I say that was meant to happen. I think. Hey, Doomslayer. How you doing, buddy? Welcome. Dine away, we are. How are you? At least I know where to go now. That's something. That's just not very nice. Look at me. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Don't look at that. Oh. Oh my god. I'm good. Currently playing Pokemon Fire Red. Ooh, nice. How's that? How was the Pokemon one? I'm not well versed in the Pokemon world, but oh, who's raided me? Oh no. Hey, what are you doing? I thought you were doing a 24-hour stream. This happens, isn't it? Everybody stay calm. Everybody stay calm.
I love it.
It's here. I'm not panicking, you're panicking.
I can't. Look. I can't.
Look at the trigger move!
I can't.
Felix, you raided my stream with 90 viewers.
90 viewers, thank you so much.
Hi everyone. Hi Carly. Just listen and like. Wish you have a great
Hold on.
time. See?
Hold on a minute. What happened? What have I missed? GB, hello. Austin, thank you for coming in for the raid. Jashish. Kelly. Mage, hello. Heather. Anthea. Positivity. Mac. Phil. Edie. Supreme. Nitrodon. Colette. Oh, technical difficulties? Oh, no. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. She was having problems. Oh, no. I know it was hit and miss with the music playing, but I'm sorry to hear that, Faye. I'm sorry to hear that. I know I was lurking in your stream. You were reading out the cards, reading out the Kudo card. I hope that was I hope you enjoyed that. Because that was I thought that was a nice little gesture. But yes, if you haven't already, and anyone in my chat, please go say happy birthday to Faye. The birthday, well, it's not a birthday today, it's a birthday Monday, but she's going to be in Disneyland, Paris. So you better tell her now. Pod, welcome in. Colette, welcome in. Hi. Yes, welcome in, Dandelions. Welcome. Yeah, I just came from a stream that kept crashing. Sucks. I'm really sorry, Faye. If you need any help, just let me. I know I'm working 9 to 5, 8 to 5 most days, so won't be able to do too much. But yeah, if even if it's I know I finish a little bit earlier tomorrow, so if you need any help, or you need a hand with things, just to, like checking things over, then let me know. I'll, it's it sucks. Technical issues just suck in general. But yeah, welcome in, Raiders. I haven't properly introduced myself. I am Welsh Banter. I'm a variety streamer of some kind. That plays lots of different games. Thank you for the GB shout out. I'll get to shout outs in a minute, actually, because I know a few people in here that do stream. Bento, hello. Sorry, I nearly missed you there.
What the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? Yo!
Lovely. A little bit of Final Fantasy 16
How
there.
cool
Love
is
that.
this,
I did very much
hell?
appreciate you all so much. We appreciate you, though. More. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it lots. No problem at all. Oh no, Final Fantasy 16 clips. Oh no. I'm gonna get some sleep. I hope you enjoy the stream, Legend. I will. I'll enjoy it tenfold more now that you decided to bless me with the raid. But yeah, I'm Wash Banner. I'm a variety streamer of some kind. I play games here and there. I tend to beat them very quickly. I have a reputation to uphold, apparently. My favorite series of games are Crash Bandicoot. That's my go-to franchise. We're currently playing through some Sonic 2. We're on track for the good ending because we've got all the Chaos Emeralds, but we are playing on the new Sonic Origins collection, which allows us to have unlimited lives, which is amazing. Because I, for one, am not very good. But yeah, have a good sleep, Carly. Have a good sleep, Faye. Yeah, hopefully the issues will fix itself. But yeah, we play all sorts of different games, JRPGs, action adventure, hack and slashes, puzzle games, racing games, modern, retro, you name it, pretty much. So yeah, we've gone through the Crash Bandicoot series. We've done Spyro. Oh no! Sorry, everyone. Jax is gonna have a little big bombardment.
Jax _
He
Kazuya
likes-
Chia Dex 20.
And if you like Resident Evil 5, case in point. That's my face trying to punch a boulder of Chris Redfield.
Jax _ Kazuya Chia Dex 20.
Time to punch a boulder.
I'm trying to talk. But yeah, we played all sorts of different games.
Jax _ Kazuya Chia Dex 20.
I can't think now because all I can see is the 20 bits coming through. I am so sorry. All the audio's cutting out. That's nice.
Jax _ Kazuya Chia Dex 20.
Time to punch a boulder.
Jax _ Kazuya Chia Dex 20.
Time to punch a boulder.
Jax _ Kazuya Chia Dex 20.
Time to punch a boulder.
It is. We don't have happy hour on the stream. We have boulder punching hour. It's very random.
Jax _
Spur of the
Kazuya
moment,
Chia
but when
Dex
Jax does
20.
this,
Time to punch a
it's
boulder.
boulder punching hour. So, you'll just have to bear with me.
Jax _ Kazuya Chia Dex 20.
And to be fair, it's his bit. It's his bit alert that he made, so I don't blame him. I mean, that is a face that a mother couldn't love,
Jax
to be honest.
_
Looking at
Kazuya
that.
Chia
Oh.
Dex 20.
Time to punch a boulder.
I was going to wrap up, but I'm gonna have to keep
Jax
going now,
_
aren't I?
Kazuya Chia Dex 20.
At 25 coming
Time
up?
to punch a boulder.
No. When I do it, it means I'm having a good time. I want people to know. I know. It's good to be fair. It is.
Kazuya Chia Dex 20.
Time to punch Boulder.
I love it that the ghost just starts coming in and it disappears.
Jax underscore
Good old
Kazuya
Halloween.
Chia Dex 25.
Thank you, Jax. Thank you for all the bits there. Thank you for all the follows that came in. I think I had a don't swear now, so I won't swear now for the rest of the stream. Thank you, Savage, for that. But yeah, we play with all sorts of different games. I have a raid video actually that might explain it a little bit better. So let me put that on, and I will be right back. Okay. Oh god. Oh god.
Justice. Sexuality.
Standard. We're in the top 100. Fuck no.
Oh, that's my birthday cake.
Hold on. Oh, that was fucking easy. Actually, I didn't know that was gonna happen. Excuse.
Jax underscore Kazuya Chia Dex 1000. Merry Christmas, Welsh.
And there we go. That's a little raid. That's a little raid video for you all. That's kind of what happens on stream on occasions. Like I said, we play all different games. So we're gonna probably be going through the rest of Sonic 2. I don't know how far left we have left. English words are hard. I want context on that thing we're eating. It was a lemon. It was a lemon. I was sucking a lemon. Phil, thank you for the prime. Also, goated alert, I will say. Sanctuary, my sanctuary. Yeah. Thank you, Phil, for the prime. Appreciate it. Out of all the people you could have used that prime on, you used it on me. Well, way too kind. One more goddamn day when I know what I want, and my want will be considered the night. Consider the night. Let the dog go quick. No worries. But yeah, we So what I tend to do, I normally stream Tuesdays to Sundays. I have a Monday off because 10,000 Fists is my all-time favorite song. Oh, we're quoting lyrics from a song. My bad. Sorry, I'm terrible at like referencing things. Jax with the gifted sub to Squirtle. Tomb Raider, also goated, by the way. But yeah. Might as well throw a few pennies of pesos as billions. Thank you, Phil. But yeah, so what we normally do, stream schedule wise, Tuesdays and Fridays, we have a single player sort of experience. You know, I go through a playthrough of whatever game I'm playing at the time. And then Saturdays and Sundays is more of a multiplayer stream for the weekend. So this weekend is probably going to be Diablo 4. I just beat the game, the main game. So if anyone is around or wants to hang out on tier 3 Nightmare character, Nightmare world tier with me, with my rogue, you're more than welcome to. And I would greatly appreciate it because it's nice just to play a game with different peeps. And that's kind of been the game I've been churning at the moment is Diablo 4. So I haven't streamed it yet. So it'd be nice to stream Diablo 4. And we can all, and if push comes to shove, then I could always switch the game maybe Sunday, change it up to like Rocket League or whatever it is that I've got. If Lara Croft was a stockbroker, the game could be called Tomb Trader. You know it. You know it. Ah, nice. On the grind toward tier 4? Nice. Yeah, I literally, today, I'm still on World Tier 2, but I've just finished the main story. I've just got to do the Chapel of Light dungeon, and then and then I unlock World Tier 3. So I'm virtually there. So yeah, this is Wing Fortress. So like this game, I'm not sure. Don't genuinely, I don't really. Oh, I'm inside. Oh. Oh. Okay, I see what the game is asking me to do. Damn it. No! Lost my ring! Damn it. Hit. Or Wing Painful Fortress, as I call it. Very true. Yeah, I know. Diablo 4 is because it's just come out. It is very expensive. I got it slightly cheaper on Xbox, CD keys, but it's still, instead of being like 60, 70 quid, it was like 50. Well, you know, a bit of a save. I thought about getting it, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't want to. I would never push you to push anyone to buying a game. It's only if you think it's worth your time and money. I was here because I've done for the Ultimate. Been too long since waiting since D3. Yeah, I've been a lot of Diablo 3. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah, I think when I played through Diablo 3, I didn't do all the. When it first came out, I played, and it was. I played as a monk. When I was a monk. I did enjoy it. Not everyone's cup of tea for a Diablo game, but. Damn it. I want to try and get through this zone before I wrap up for tonight. And call on the underside. Or by the lead. If if I had a shield, that might help. But it doesn't help. I'm like being quite wrecked in terms of what I'm doing. The wrong way. Went the wrong way. Okay. Please come in. Oh my god. Oh yes, we do have a dad joke command here. It's quite nice. It wasn't working earlier, so that is working. Have you heard of a music group called Cellophane? They're mostly rap. Ah dear. Watch where I'm going. I can get like 3 or 4 hits in, then that's it. I just run out of rings and luck. Lara Croft had a favorite vehicle. She'd call it a spacecraft or a hovercraft. Very true. Very true. As long as it's not a kite, that's fine. Focus. Focus, focus. do here? Minecraft, yeah. That checks out. Just out of reach from a normal jump. Damn it. I'm glad it's on anniversary mode and not classic. So I would have to start the whole thing like 6 times. Okay, that's fine. Oh my gosh, it's so well there. That was close. I feel like that was close. I could have. Gotta do. Like if I got no rings, I may as well just die. There's no point even trying. I shouldn't think like that. Oh, well, I'm dead. I think you can't have it. If it's in the middle, you're gonna take a hit no matter what. You've got to try and like force it to go into a corner, I guess. I don't know. Tricky. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome in. Oh, did you? It's power. Oh, power. Oh, it's on your alt account. Nice, nice. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. I think we've actually just hit 500 followers. pretty sure we have. Oh, big props to Faye coming in with that raid. That was the one. That follow power. That was the one. I believed. Rocket ship. Up into space we go. Now what happened? Is it? Is this the final boss coming up? Egg zone. Oh, I have no rings. Well now. A little bit too cheeky. Right. Oh my god. Should have gone underneath. They don't know until... And I don't know until it's too late. The reaction times are not that good. Too far back. I went too far back towards the back of his head. That's fair. Aim for the front. Again? Too much momentum there. Too much. Slowly but surely learning the pattern. It sucks because it's just a one-hit fight. Like, I get hit, I'm fucked. Or maybe you do the sprint. But... I'm too eager to... Ow. Oh. First giant spider tissue. Try to fight it, but it fled. Ooh, giant spider issue. Sorry. Ooh, eat spiders. I had one crawl out of my trousers the other day. Horrible. I literally shook my trousers and it was there. It just popped out. And I was like, I'm glad I didn't put them on first. that game is okay. Stand a bit further forward than that. Bounce put me backwards. Now I'm on it because of it. I'd be too, to be fair. I would be. Very much of it. I think this is the last zone. So... I did it on one stream. Why do I jump? I just think he's going to go flat. I know the pattern. This way does it's on the floor, and then it jump, and then on the floor, then jump with a player. Maybe jump that time. Ah. Come on. Focus, focus, focus. And gone flat again. Hey. Wasn't ready for that. Jumping. Damn it. Went too close to it and I jumped. I pressed jump before I got that close. Okay. Come on. Oh no, I thought you were going to jump there. You didn't. That does. Thank God. There you go. Death Egg Robot. The only reason I know this is because it's in Sonic Generations. You can give me warning for that. Oh, I've got to do the whole fight again. Okay. 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 It's cutting it fine. Not gonna lie, I was cutting it fine. Oh, I died again there. Oh, can I not hit him? Oh, I'm thinking of Generations if I hit him underneath. Thinking of Generations. My bad. My bad. That's my fault. That's my fault. I thought I was thinking of Generations. And not, me. That's on me. There we go. I'm getting the Metal Sonic final down a bit. That's good. Just the Death Egg Robot now. Sweaty now, my hands are really sweaty. Oh good, oh good. I'm gonna hit him. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna get him on his front, get him to shoot that, and then hit him. Okay, I think I know what. I think I know what to do. Here's what I figured out. An extra hit in probably was not a good idea. Though. Good stuff. Yeah, I think I gotta keep it on the same side as where he's facing, and then get him to fire the spike out. Okay, he's fired it twice. Okay, good for him. Good for him. Got mouse on it properly. He's just trying to get his death thing. Can't hit him from behind because flames him. You have to hit him from the front. I think that's the only way. If I just, maybe if I stayed low and then let it come to me and enter. Fine line there. Come on. We got this. We haven't got this. That was very close. Now Sonic's taken care of. Unless you can hit it from behind, I don't know. But that was, I thought that, but that's, now you can do that in Sonic Generations. The whole underbelly is weak point. I'm gonna get it from behind. I don't know. If it is the way. genuinely don't know that. I'm not sure. I don't know how you hit him. You can't touch those spikes at all. Like not even the arm touch. So is it behind? I have to hit him. I have to get him from behind somehow. Tricky. Just, I don't know. I'm unsure now what to do. This fight. I think if I quit out of the game, it'll just keep me. It'll restart from death egg zones. It's not too bad. Oh. Okay. No. Okay. So when he lands, you got to hit him when he lands. Okay. I got it. Try a couple more times. Try a couple more times, and then with that fight anyway, and then if not, we'll just call it a night. Come back tomorrow. Come back to it. I don't think I can hit during this phase. I don't think. No, what? I jumped from too far. Jump from too far out, you're gonna hit them. You're gonna hit me. I need to be like directly underneath them. I'll give another 10 minutes. We'll wrap it up. Oh, come on. Nice. Recovery, good recovery. think I'm just gonna call it. I think I'm gonna call it here. Getting late, and I'm just dying for the sake of dying now. So. We'll call it there. I appreciate everybody hanging out for another stream. Thank you, Faye, for the massive read. Thank you for all the bits, for all the subs, for all the follows. Let me just check my official count. Oh. Oh. That's interesting. Oh, was I at 450? Oh, maybe it was. My bad. I think I got confused. But yeah, we're at 463. Very much. For all the follows that came in, all the bits, all the subs, and the raid, the massive raid. Right, let's see who's on. Who is on that we can send all this love to? Quick. Oh what? My boy Jack is playing. He's on. Playing some Star Citizen. He was in here earlier. Really good friend of ours. And I believe, yes, part of Team Highlight as well as Faye. So we're going to keep the Team Highlight raid train going. So yeah. Let me just grab his Twitch link just in case the raid doesn't go through for everybody. And yeah, we're going to go raid Jack. He's playing Star Citizen. Really cool game. Cool PC game where you fly ships and do all sorts of stuff. The first message is for subs. Second one is for followers and non-followers. Raid. But yeah, thank you so much, everybody, for popping in. Oh, wow. A lot of people. That's a lot of people in here. But I hope to see you all next time. And for those who've come in through Faye's stream, I'll probably see most of you. If she's streaming tomorrow, I'll probably see you all there. I'll be hanging, lurking and whatnot in her stream. Until next time, probably tomorrow, where we will continue with more Sonic 2. Hopefully finishing it if we can beat this fucking Death Egg boss. But until next time, everybody, take care. I appreciate you all. And bye.